Hey, welcome back. Today's project is on the Lexus. I have a broken exhaust hanger, so I'm gonna crawl underneath there, pull the welder out, and tack it up. Sorry, you can hear the air compressor running in the background, but here, this is the broken hanger. See it right there? So, pull it over, weld it up. Might look for another, it's kind of where it wants to ride naturally. Might look for a little piece of metal to just tack right on there. Give it a little strength. Anyway, that's the plan. Weld it up, get rid of that, get rid of the rattle. Oh, well, people should get that on the ground. Other than that, you know, I need to do something with my shop. Clean some stuff up. Anyway, yeah, let's get after it. All right, I got the hanger all ground off. I've got a vice grip on it, hold it in place. So I'm gonna get down underneath here and spot weld it, and then take my clamp off and weld it up. Should be good enough tack, I think. I hope. Yep. I do need to pump up the juice though. Voltage up. Right there. Right there. All right. Let's burn it in. Alright, got her all welded up. Here, I'll bring you guys in so you can see my horrible welding. Nope, hold on. There you go, all welded up. Nice and solid again. So that was all it took. It's nice having skills where you can do stuff like that and not have to take something to a shop and have somebody else fix it for you. So see how long that holds, and if it breaks out again, then I'll weld the stiffener on it or something. Anyway, now I gotta put all this stuff away. It took me longer to set up than it did to actually do the welding.